Why, hello, Sauerpuss. Why, you look pretty good in your bunny ears. If I don't say so myself. From all of us at Sauerpuss and Friends, Happy Easter! Happy Easter! Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Creativity Castle, where imagination grows and friends share wonderful ideas. My name is Sauerpuss, the creative cat. Before I share today's story and creative activity, I would like to wish you all a happy Easter. And if you like Easter egg hunting, be sure to check out my episode with my good friend Buns as we hunt for Easter eggs. The link is in the description below. And now, back to today's story. Just the other day, I was here working on a creative cut and paste Easter craft. And this will be a golden sun.
Hi, Sauerpuss.
Oh, hi, Butterfina. Welcome to springtime in the Creativity Castle.
It sure is beautiful this spring day.
The grounds of the Creativity Castle are really beautiful this time of year.
Flowers are in full bloom.
Have fun, Sauerpuss. See you later.
Okay, see you later. I wonder who that could be. Hey, Sauerpuss. Happy Easter! Oh, Buns, what a wonderful surprise. Happy Easter to you, too. Well, I was hopping through the meadow and thought I should visit my friend Sauerpuss at the Creativity Castle. What are you working on? I am making a special Easter craft. It celebrates the risen Christ. Why, I'm celebrating the risen Christ too, Sauerpuss. Easter is such a joyful day. It sure is a great time to celebrate. That looks buns of fun. And this activity includes all the pieces to make this illustration, including the cross, a hill, the tomb entrance, and the stone that was rolled away after Jesus had risen. First, I'm coloring in all of the pieces. Ooh, I really like the banner that says, "He is risen." He is risen, he is risen, he has risen indeed. And after we're finished coloring in all the pieces, we use scissors to cut them out. He is risen, he is risen, he has risen indeed. Once we're finished cutting out the pieces, we can either use tape or a glue stick to put the pieces together. This is the sunrise. Early on Easter morning, the women went to the tomb, but the stone was rolled away. And Jesus wasn't there. That's right, Jesus had risen, just like he promised. That's the best news ever. Would you like to help me finish the craft? Oh, yes, please. Now we glue the empty tomb here on the hill. The empty tomb reminds us that Jesus is alive. Woohoo! Exactly. And now we add a cross on top of the hill. Jesus loves everyone so much. That's right. Easter reminds us that God's love is stronger than anything. And lastly, let's add the stone that was rolled away. It's beautiful, and it tells the most wonderful story. The story of Jesus rising from the tomb. That's right, Buns. That's why we celebrate Easter with joy. I'm so glad I hopped over today. Me too, Buns. Celebrating with friends makes it even better. And to all our friends, you can make a craft like this at home too. Just use paper, glue, and your creativity. For this activity, click on the link below and be sure to have a parent help you. And remember the wonderful reason we celebrate Easter. Jesus is risen. He's alive. He's alive. He is risen indeed. He is risen indeed. We sure have had fun with this creative cut and glue craft activity. Thanks for visiting us today at the Creativity Castle. See you next time, and remember to be creative. Happy Easter, everyone.
I love to be creative. I love to draw and play. I love to paint. I love to sketch and color every day. I love to be creative. Imagine and pretend. When I play and draw with Sauerpuss and Friends.
That's me. Be sure to subscribe to this channel so you'll be ready for our next creative show.
Whoopee! Join us next time at Sauerpuss and Friends.
And remember to subscribe to our channel.
Remember to give us a thumbs up.
Be sure to check out our other videos on our Sauerpuss and Friends channel. We have all sorts of creative stories and activities for children of all ages.
Happy Easter from Sauerpuss and Friends.